The key deer, native to the Florida Keys, is the smallest species of North American deer, standing about 24 to 32 inches at the shoulder and weighing between 45 to 75 pounds. Despite their small size, they are excellent swimmers, capable of traversing between islands in search of food and mates. Living in the dense subtropical forests and coastal marshes of the Florida Keys, key deer have adapted to their unique habitat by developing specialized diets, including mangrove leaves. They are also known for their unique behavior of foraging for food during both day and night, allowing them to take advantage of different food sources and avoid predators. Additionally, they have a distinctive alarm call, described as a high-pitched whistle, which they use to alert others of potential danger. These deer are primarily found in the lower Florida Keys, particularly in the Big Pine Key and No Name Key areas, where they inhabit hardwood hammocks, freshwater wetlands, and mangrove swamps. Their diet consists mainly of plants, including leaves, twigs, fruits, and grasses. They are also known to feed on acorns, which are an important food source for them. The key deer face several threats to their survival, including habitat loss due to urban development, collisions with vehicles, predation by non-native species such as feral dogs and cats, and disease. Their small population size and restricted range make them particularly vulnerable to these threats. In response, conservation efforts have been implemented to protect the key deer and their habitat. One significant conservation measure is the establishment of the National Key Deer Refuge in 1957, which encompasses approximately 8,542 acres of land and water in the lower Florida Keys. The refuge provides protected habitat for the key deer and other native species, as well as opportunities for research, education, and public enjoyment. Efforts to mitigate the impacts of habitat loss and fragmentation include the creation of wildlife corridors and underpasses to allow deer to safely cross roads, as well as the removal of invasive plant species that compete with native vegetation. Additionally, public outreach and education programs aim to raise awareness about the importance of conserving the key deer and their unique island habitat. Despite these conservation efforts, the key deer population remains vulnerable, and ongoing monitoring and management are essential to ensure their long-term survival. The continued collaboration between government agencies, conservation organizations, and local communities is crucial for protecting this iconic species and preserving the ecological integrity of the Florida Keys ecosystem.